I need you guys to listen to Bishop Hochul. I think that's how you pronounce her name. She's the governor of New York. So Governor Kathy Hochul. I think I pronounced that right, but I couldn't believe she really said this in a speech. Just check this out and tell me what you think.
And I wear my vaccinated necklace all the time to say, I'm vaccinated. All of you. Yes, I know you're vaccinated. You're the smart ones, but you know there's people out there who aren't listening to God and what God wants.
She said, I know you all out there are vaccinated. You are the smart ones. Oh my God. But we'll go ahead. I won't interrupt it. I'll let you go and listen to this.
But you know there's people out there who aren't listening to God and what God wants. You know this. You know who they are. I need you to be my apostles. I need you to go out and talk about it and say, we owe this to each other. We love each other. Jesus taught us to love one another. And how do you show that love? But to care about each other enough to say, please get vaccinated because I love you. I want you to live.
You know, Candace is the destroyer right here, but this is crazy. You know, like me and my wife, you know, we got immunity. I know we've been around people that have had the virus, and we've been around thousands of people. We've been around in closed places where people are coughing and things. We didn't have masks on after we've had the virus. We've formed a natural immunity, and we haven't gotten sick again. It's been 7-8 months. Maybe we have had the virus again, but our immunity fights it off so fast that we don't even recognize it. So I'm going to let you listen to what Candace has to say. You know she is a destroyer, Kathy, but check it out.
Wait, you're telling me you weren't converted by Kathy? You weren't converted by Catholic president? It tells you right there. What Jesus Christ wanted was for us to get vaccinated. He also, by the way, wanted medical segregation, open borders, Hillary Clinton to win the 2016 election. I know it sounds like it's just exactly what the Democrats want, and they pretend that it's what God wants, because that's exactly what it is. And it's so foolish, by the way. We're talking about the Democratic Party. For her to invoke God, it is just such a joke, right? This is the party at their DNC convention, you will recall. The American people are going to fall for this obvious scam, but you are correct. I have said this has moved from a public health crisis to a mental health crisis, an obsession and a cult with COVID-19.
Wow. We need more Candace Owens around here that can fight for this type of stuff. But we'll continue and let you listen to some more of Candace.
I mean, it does sound like superstition, but also if you want to be superstitious, can you explain to me, Tucker, can somebody explain to me how right now in New York we're being told that just the unvaccinated are in the hospital, but also they have to let go of the unvaccinated healthcare employees because apparently the unvaccinated are a risk to the unvaccinated. I mean, I can't figure any of this stuff out, but you're not supposed to understand a cult. You just do what they say.
That's exactly right.
I found that sermon to be even creepier than Governor Cuomo was. Like, it's incredibly creepy to invoke God and to pretend that you've had some awakening and that Christ is going through you and telling you to get the vaccine. Yeah, Christ wants you to make Pfizer a few more $1 billion, and then you can be converted.
Exactly.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching Welding and Stuff.